Can you install this light fitting? Don't worry, love, I'll sort it out for you. I only took this fitting down the other week and now they want it in a different room. But let's get it installed. First things first, let's isolate the power supply. We had a bit of messing about to do with the links because there was far too many. So we took a couple of them off and then it was time to take the pendant down. And of course, they've painted it. A quick score round and then we unscrewed the cover and then we got the voltage pen out to prove dead. You shouldn't prove dead with voltage pen. Have a day off, mate. And then we unscrewed the terminals to release the cables from the base. This is the fixing for the light fitting. Not ideal, but it'll do the trick. And it was a bit of a squeaky bum time because if there's no joist up there, it's going to be an absolute nightmare. Luckily, the sparky god was on our side and we hit a joist, so we screwed the hook in and we just about got a solid fixing on it. I did say to the client, no, be very careful when putting the lamps in. I don't want it falling on your head. It's time to connect up our light fitting. There was no actual markings on the cables to say which one is live and which one's neutral, but it don't really matter because it's Edison screws. So we wagoed up our loop feed and then we connected our switch line and our neutral and then we hooked it on and that was the light fitting all done. I actually put the lamps in because just in case. While you're here, can you fit the switch, that old chestnut? They did attempt it themselves, but the instructions were a bit too confusing. No wonder why, because they bought an intermediate switch instead of a normal. That's alright, you know what we do, no problems, just solutions. They love a bit of paint. The paint on the light, paint on the switch, we scored off the switch and then we unscrewed it. Why on earth did they tuck the earth away? I don't know, but we're going to connect it up anyway because we've got a metal light switch. A little bit of jiggery pokery on the intermediate switch to get it working and that was job done. Easy oneers. Lovely.